Alright folks, let's dive into mastering caloric counting for weight loss success. So what exactly is caloric counting? It's all about tracking the number of calories you consume daily. Think of it as a vital tool for managing your weight effectively. By keeping tabs on your calorie intake, you get a clearer picture of the energy you're bringing into your body versus what you're burning off. This balance between intake and expenditure is key to effective weight loss. Now, calories are essentially units of energy. They fuel our bodies, much like gas powers a car. When we talk about calories in food, we're talking about the potential energy stored that our bodies need to function throughout the day. Weight management is pretty much a simple equation: calories in versus calories out. Eating more calories than your body burns leads to weight gain. On the flip side, a deficit results in weight loss. You'll see both calories and kilojoules on food labels. They're both units of energy, just measured differently. 1 calorie equals about 4.18 kilojoules. Most regions use calories, so that's what we usually focus on when counting. The connection between calories and weight loss is rooted in science. To shed those pounds, you need a calorie deficit. That means your body has to burn more calories than it absorbs from food. You can achieve this by consuming fewer calories, upping your physical activity, or ideally, a bit of both. Understanding the foundational role of calories in weight management gives you the power to make informed decisions about your diet. Tracking what you eat might seem tedious at first, but it offers transparency and helps identify areas that need adjustment. By recognizing the energy in each meal, you're better positioned to manage your intake against your activity levels. So grab a notebook or an app and start tracking those calories. You've got this.